If me love Jamaica one more time. Check it out, check it out. Yo, me I salute the chicken man, guys. This are the mobile. No, me no want, nobody no want to see me. Show a chicken man thing. A chicken man thing people want to see. Guys, if me love Jamaica one more time, mobile jerk chicken in a Kingston City. Mad. Mad, guys. Me I gonna tell you about innovation. Me I tell you about pivoting. Me I tell you about mad. See that, guys? See that, guys? Guys, there's a link somewhere below this video. Go ahead, click on that link. Enjoy innovation. Enjoy free shipping. Guys, we are revolutionizing shipping in Jamaica. We are allowing you to purchase your items from overseas and get them delivered to your doorstep here in Jamaica. We give you free shipping coupons. Catch up. Join us today, guys. Click on the link below. Join us today. Get your free shipping. And if you want your mobile chicken, you see the chicken man cross there, so link him up. All right. Catch you guys later. Bye-bye.